Hi friends, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. In today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing. Over the last month, I have purchased 3 new David Yurman pieces and I wanted to share them with you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Here are my pieces. As you guys can see, I bought one directly from the David Yurman boutique, and then I bought 2 from Nordstrom. If you are wondering why I bought some pieces from Nordstrom and then why I bought some pieces from David Yurman, it is because the one that I bought from David Yurman was actually in store in person. And I don't know if this stands true for online purchases, but with David Yurman, if you happen to purchase something, you can't return it for your money back. It has to be store credit. The ones that I bought from Nordstrom, I actually purchased them online. And since I was purchasing them online and I hadn't tried them on, if I didn't like them, I wanted the opportunity to still be able to return them if I wanted to. So that is the reason why I bought one item from the David Yurman boutique, because I was actually there in person, and then why I bought the 2 other ones from Nordstrom, because they got shipped to my house. So I will start first with the least expensive items, and then I will show you the most expensive items that I got. When you get a David Yurman piece from Nordstrom, it comes in a Nordstrom box. You don't actually get the David Yurman box that I will show you with my David Yurman purchase. It just comes in a Nordstrom box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this to show you, and it comes with the David Yurman pouch. So it comes in the pouch, and then it also has this on it. I think it's like a cleaning cloth. I haven't opened it because I just bought these pieces. And then of course it comes with the certificate of authenticity, but they didn't sign it or anything. So I don't know if that matters for when you go to resell it. Personally, for me, jewelry is something that's a little bit more intimate, so I don't see myself wanting to sell it. It would have been nice to have the authenticity card, but I don't even think I got one with this other piece. So anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is the pouch. It's this really beautiful suede pouch that kind of keeps your items intact. The first item that I bought is this beautiful buckle bracelet, and I got it in the small. Everything that I get is either gonna be small or extra small, and I will let you guys know. But I just really like this buckle bracelet, and it is in the original cable collection. I know they came out with a flex cable collection, and it's a little bit shinier and a lot more flexible for my understanding, but I wanted the classic cable because the classic cable collection just has a little bit more weight, and it's not as shiny. And I did try on the shiny one in the store, the flex cable, and I just didn't really care for it too much. So I got this one in the small size, and I really like it. So I will tell you how much I paid for this. Let me go ahead and take it off. I still have the tag on it because I haven't worn it, but I paid $550 for this. Now, some people might say that's a little bit excessive for sterling silver and it tarnishes, but I really like it. And I have some other David Yurman pieces that I wanted to wear with this. I am both a gold and silver girly. I'm not like, oh, I only wear gold, or oh, I only wear silver. And I actually really enjoy the look of mixed metals. And so I wanted to add just a couple more sterling silver pieces to my collection. And I thought the buckle bracelet was going to be a really nice addition to that. So naturally I had to go ahead and get this one. The second item that I got is also from Nordstrom, and it is packaged just the same way. You get that suede pocket to store them in, and it also comes with, I guess, a cleaning cloth and the certificate of authenticity, which of course they didn't put anything on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this one to show you what it looks like. And I got this piece right here. This is called the 4mm X Classic Cable Bracelet, and it doesn't tell me how much I paid for it here, but I think I paid maybe about the same. Let me look it up and I can tell you guys. So this one was a little bit more expensive, and this is in 14 karat gold with the sterling silver. This one is also, like I mentioned, 4mm, the small size, and I paid $675 for this one. Again, I really like it. I think it complements the other one that I bought really well, and it also complements a couple other bracelets that I have with David Yurman, and I think this one is a much more snug fit. Again, this is the small, this is not the extra small, and I really like it. I love the cables collection from David Yurman, and they do have the flex line, which is much more affordable, very shiny, and it does flex a lot easier, but I just preferred the original classic. I think it's just stunning, and you can't go wrong with a classic. Now I have the big guy. So my husband actually purchased this for me for Mother's Day. The envelope, it has, I don't know, I think this is the receipt. I haven't even opened it. It's got my sales associate on here, and it also comes with the cleaning cloth. The cleaning cloth is right here. So that's good. Every piece from David Yurman comes with a cleaning cloth. Let me go ahead and open this up and see what it says. I don't know if I've read this. Again, it has her name and it has my receipt. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought and then I'll tell you how much it is. So this is the box that it comes with. Like I said, as you can see with Nordstrom does not come with these David Yurman boxes, which is unfortunate, but I'm getting it from Nordstrom, I understand. And then it also comes really nicely tied with a bow, but I took all that off. Here is the same pouch that you get from Nordstrom. I got it from David Yurman, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I got the X gold cable bracelet in the small with the diamonds. So this also has diamonds in it. And I can tell you it is the 18 karat gold pave diamonds in the 4mm size. And you guys, I love this gift so much. My husband bought it for me for Mother's Day. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. This one was really pricey. It was $3,700 and I absolutely love this bracelet. I have another David Yurman gold bracelet that I wanted to wear with this, and I think it is really pretty and really special. So I'm very excited for this gift. One thing that I wanted to share, because as you guys know, I'm really trying to expand and grow my jewelry connection. In Austin, they have recently opened up a Cartier, and I am trying to hold off on buying anything Cartier as long as possible. There are several things that I want. I went to the first Cartier I ever went to was in Dallas, and this was for Christmas because I was looking at some bracelets for Christmas. But again, I decided on going with David Yurman instead. This is actually the second time I have chosen a David Yurman bracelet over Cartier, and I do want some pieces from Cartier. I want some rings. I want the Just Include ring. I want the Cartier Love ring, as well as the classic bracelets that you see, the Just Include and the Love bracelet. But I'm trying to save those for a really special occasion. So my birthday is in August, and I'm trying to make that a special birthday. And so I was meant to maybe hold off on buying any Cartier until my birthday. And so I wanted to actually go into the store and make it a whole experience. So I probably will pick up something from Cartier in August for my birthday, but I just wanted to add a couple more David Yurman pieces to my collection. I just think they're timeless and classy. And you guys, I have seen on social media people, they love David Yurman. Some people are saying that it's the equivalent to Pandora, or it's giving like Pandora vibes. And I'm like, I am a firm believer that it doesn't matter what you wear, it matters how you wear it. So if you want to buy a bracelet from Target, a bracelet from Walmart, Pandora, David Yurman, or Cartier, it doesn't matter what it is that you're wearing. It depends on how you wear it and if you like it and it brings you joy. So I don't know what the consensus is on that, but I will tell you that I really like my new David Yurman pieces, and I can't wait to continue to grow my jewelry collection. This was a little bit long-winded, but I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I love to watch unboxings and seeing what people get and their experiences with items and things like that. And so I'm going to wear these, and maybe I'll do a follow-up video on using the wear and tear, but I think that these are going to be pieces that I have forever, and as long as I take care of them, I don't see why I should have any issues. That concludes my video. I hope that you did like this. Tell me, do you have David Yurman? Do you have Cartier? Are there any other fine jewelry pieces that you want? I do have quite a big wish list on some fine jewelry, but I'm gonna hold off on getting any more jewelry unless it's like a special occasion. So my birthday, Christmas, things like that. I am really looking forward to building my fine jewelry collection. It is something that gets me excited. And so I just want to know your thoughts. Do you guys like fine jewelry? Do you prefer silver? Do you prefer gold? What are your thoughts, and what are your favorite designers? I love learning about different designers and finding different jewelry pieces. And so please let me know what you like. I'm also wanting to get into Messica. They have a really cute diamond necklace that I really want, and they have some great bracelets. So I am looking into that as well, but just tell me your thoughts. As always, if you did like this content, I do ask that you please consider subscribing, drop a comment down below, or please give my video a thumbs up. It does help my channel. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.